Hey guys, today I thought I'd do a beauty and style how-to of Heather of Pale Waves. Not only does she always look very cool with the best grunge eye makeup going, I also believe the band are going to be huge this year, so go check them out. First up, I applied some primer, eventually. I used my usual collection Primed and Ready. Next up, I found my palest foundation, which is my Dermacol. I used my Body Shop brush to buff it all out as evenly as possible. Next, I used my collection concealer to cover up my dreadful eye bags and a few hormonal blemishes. I find it tends to cover spots better if I use the finger dab approach. I use my collection Define and Perfect eyebrow powder to thicken and enhance my brows, still brushing in a way that makes them look like hair strands rather than slugs. The applicator is really good for this. Later I darkened them further with an eyeliner as they weren't quite dramatic enough. She doesn't always have the slightly lighter red colour underneath, sometimes it's just a dark maroon, but today I thought I'd go for this look. I used a fluffy brush to apply this reddy orange tone from the Morphe palette, blending way up above the lid but not quite reaching the eyebrow. I don't have much space here, so it's a bit harder for me. Then I applied the sleep makeup product called Eye Art, which is a precision liquid eye colour in the colour Orphism, I say. For the first eye, I applied it to my finger, then applied to the lid. For the second, I tried applying directly to the eye and got a much better colour payoff. I then found a more precise brush to bring that orangey red below the bottom lash line, very boldly, nothing subtle about this. Then I bring the sleep product below the bottom lash line too and blend the colours together like a lovely goth sunset. Next up, I went in with the basket case liner from Kat Von D. You can be pretty heavy-handed here, precision isn't necessary again. It wasn't as easy to blend as it usually is, I think because of that sleek product underneath, but we got there. Better Than Sex mascara applied as if I'm getting ready in a hurry to go to a gig, no time spent on curlers and whatnot. Then the bit that brings it all together, Slayer lipstick from Kat Von D, which has the coolest packaging by the way. Finally, a non-shimmery bronzer in the corner of the cheek hollows, nothing on the apples today. Now to make the look just a little bit closer to the real thing. First up, a nose ring and the wig, which I got from Amazon. It had terrible reviews and now I see why. I then tried to add a fringe. You can see the panic set in my face there. It did not go to plan. While I'm here, I thought I'd point you in the direction of some of her style staples. I have a jacket very like hers that I got from Primark last year, as well as these wear-all PVC trousers. She likes a bit of mesh. My top's from Amazon, oversized denim. Mine's from Bershka. Also a bit of metallic. I went for a skirt and mine's from H&M. An A-line skirt, Forever 21. Animal print is frequent on the Pale Waves Instagram feed. I wore my misguided coat. Tartan trousers like my ones from Nasty Girl. Velvet and crushed velvet. All my stuff's from Topshop. Slip dresses, white shirts and lots of jewellery too. Thanks for watching guys, leave a comment below and I'll see you in a video soon.